Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we are going to be unboxing a Gemini200 Delta Airlines 727-200 in the Widget livery. I'm really excited about this model in particular because the Widget livery on 727s is getting harder and harder to find. So let's get into this one. Detail on this is excellent. Gemini makes excellent 727s. I've got one in Continental's new livery. The previous owner took excellent care of it. There are no scratches anywhere. Up close, the detail couldn't be better, down to the eyebrow windows above the cockpit, numbering on the nose landing gear doors, the rear of the engines have painted on exhaust outlets, and on the wing you've got escape path arrows, and on the bottom, besides the polished belly, you've got your tail skid in the back and just excellently detailed landing gear. I am super pleased with this model, and it's going to look excellent next to the 1011 that's waiting for it. So I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did, and happy collecting to everybody.